Hello everyone, my name is Mahek Gohel and my branch is DSAI and I prepared CWS project, of course, DSC 101 on typing speed test. It is purely based on C++ and what is it actually includes is it measures the time taken by the users to enter that text and it will also show accuracy that is measured by each character that is typed by the users and the actual character. So it will compare the actual character, and if it is correct, then it will show accuracy according to that. And so basically for this we'll first discuss outline that how we'll gonna move forward for this project. So let me create a new file, p2.txt. First we will include libraries, then we'll go for mode like difficulties. Then we'll ask user to choose difficulty level. Then after that we'll display according to user's choice. After that we'll display statement according to user's choice, and after that it statement user will user will write that statement, and at the same time it will start timer, and after end timer and then calculate accuracy, and after that it user will have option to continue to do it again or to exit. So basically we'll move forward in these steps only, and I'll explain the code now, that which libraries we have to include and how we create modes of like different difficulties like easy, medium and hard. And after that how will ask user to choose and display which statement, and all that whole part I'll explain in the code one. And before that just go through this ppt, and this is the algorithm which I displayed. I showed there also that's the display menu there where easy, medium and hard part will show, and then allow exit to allow user to exit, and after that select passage, start timer, capture input. Yeah, the computer also captures the input from the users and then calculate accuracy, stop timer, and display result and retry option. So yeah, now we'll proceed. So now we go on the code one part. First I have included the three header files: iostream for input output, string for handling text, and chrono for measuring how long the user takes to type. Then I have written the namespace std, so I don't have to type std dot c out, std dot c in everywhere. Just I don't want to type this part everywhere, so I use this namespace as std. Then I written I created a class called typing test, and this class holds all the data and functions of my program. Inside the private section, I have three arrays: easy, medium, and hard, each containing two statements of increasing difficulty. I also have two string variables, that is target and typed. Okay, sorry, target and the typed one. So basically, then the two variables for results and results of time taken to store total time, and accuracy to store correctness in the percentage. Finally, I have index variables to rotate between statements each time. So I don't want users to write same statement at every time. So you can here add more statements also. so that user will have different statement every time he starts this program. So after that, in the public part, then comes main function start. In the public part, I have main function called start. It starts with the welcome message and uses a while true loop. So the users can take the test multiple times. The user is asked to choose a difficulty level 1 to 3 or 0 to exit. To handle invalid input, I have used cin.clear and cin.ignore. Cin.ignore actually removes leftover input from the buffer so that later get line works properly. Once a once here if the user chooses any character, then it will break this loop and then go out from the loop and will show goodbye. Here we exited from the loop because we typed level 00 as exit, so we break this loop here also and go to exit. Now if a person write any number other than 1 2 3, then it will show invalid choice to him, but the loop will be continued and it will again show that invalid choice, again try this. After after a valid input, once a select passage is called to pick up a statement. So here we selected a passage, and after that the program displays the sentence and asks the user to press enter to start typing. Before typing begins, the program records the starting time using here before type begins, the program uses starting time and this is the ending time. So yeah. So here is the starting time and ending time functions using chrono, and after that users finishing typing, it records the end time and calculates the duration in milliseconds. Then the function compute accuracy runs. This here is the compute accuracy runs, and after that show result displays the typing and time accuracy percentage. Finally, the program asks if user wants to try again. If they say yes, then a program will be continued, and if they say no, then goodbye message will be displayed. After that, I created this private part because I don't want to show it to everyone. So I created a private select message one part, and in that part, based on the chosen level, it selects a statements from the respective array. Easy index. This signifies that it switches between index 0 to 1 and each time return false for invalid input. And similarly for medium and hard level too. And after that we'll compute accuracy. We just defined a variable called correct and data type integer is equals to 0, and then we'll have a total and then length and targeted in the total will have target dot size, matlab how many character we have in the targeted statement, and in length we have type dot size. It will store how many character do that person actually typed, and after that I initial a for loop, and in that integer I equals to 0, I less than or equals to total, matlab I will go from 0 to less than or equals to total, and I less than length. I will also go from less than length, and then plus plus I. This is the basic format of for loop, and after that, if typed I matches with targeted I, then it is the correct statement. So it will add on the correct one. Plus plus correct means that it will add up in the correct, and the accuracy will be double correct divided by total. Correct divided by total. Correct divided by total. This is the accuracy into 100 in percentage if we want. So yeah, double is just data type, so it doesn't like that. Void show result, it will show result, and then see out time, it will show time taken, and accuracy as we calculated before. And after that, um, in the main function, I have created an object test of typing test class, and class test dot start test to start the whole program. So basically, and after that I return zero, that shows that the program is running, the whole program is running smoothly, so it will return zero. Now I'll run code and show you the output part one. So uh, I'll again choose, and this is showing typing test program, then choose difficulty. If I am choosing any character like G, it will directly showing me goodbye. After that, if I am selecting any number other than 1 2 3 or 0, then it is showing invalid choice. If I am selecting 1, then it is showing type this, please enter to start. So I have to type the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So I'm typing the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So here it is showing my accuracy is 100%, and I took this much milliseconds. And now I wanted to continue or not. If I can write yes, then I'll again show this whole program. And if I'm writing no, then it's goodbye, and I'm exiting from this program. So basically, how this code works is this. Just move to the PPT part, as I explained the whole algorithm, that in which direction we have to move proceed forward. First, we have to display menu, first select passage, then start timer, capture input, stop timer, calculate accuracy, display result, and retry option. This is the basically outline of the main code. Now, what is the code features and capability of this program? This is a standard library, is just pure C++ based program. It is pure C++ based program, as I told you, and it includes only three libraries. This is the main feature of this program. And character level accuracy is more important, like it will measure each character that it is correct and not. It's not measure word, it will measure character based accuracy. And it will give us precise timing and dynamic passage rotation. We don't have to write a same statement every time it will be rotating. So this is the key features of my program. And code structure is basically this, that I explained in the code one part. And after that, my project takeaways are using three libraries: character accuracy and tracking. This is the main key points of my projects. And thank you.